When life gets busy, we need a vacuum that we can count on to perform. The Riccar Clean Air Deluxe vacuum is engineered for power and built to last. 2 brush roll speeds handle everything from daily dust to deeper cleans. And there's no need to worry about jams. The brush roll jam sensor stops the motor as soon as it senses a blockage. It glides easily from carpets to hard floors, with edge cleaning that gets right up to the baseboards. The ultra-bright LED headlight is a game changer to see into dark areas and get my floors sparkling clean. It even gets under and around furniture without moving a thing. And the wand, hose, and crevice attachments have up to an 11-foot reach for all those hard-to-clean places without needing to have a whole separate tool. The best part is all that dust and dirt stays contained with a self-sealing HEPA bag that fights odors and traps allergens. This is a vacuum that keeps up with us. It's durable, efficient, and made to upgrade the everyday clean.